Working in tech support or just need a really great headset for your business? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Rownfusny R03P headset. This is a computer headset that also works on tons of different devices and it's Bluetooth. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're looking at the R03P computer headset from Rownfusny right here. Packaging looks great. Information on the back that you need, some stuff on the side and everything like that, but let's open it up. One of the first things you see in the box is this user manual right here and a quick start guide. So just give you information on how to set it all up, and then also some contact information for Rownfusny. Next we have our USB dongle right here, and this is going to allow you to Bluetooth this headset into any USB device, so making your life that much easier. If something doesn't have Bluetooth built into it, you plug this in and now it does. We've got this really nice fancy travel case right here, and this thing is beautiful. Wow, very nice. Looks like we've got this USB-A to USB-C cable right here, and it's got some length on it, so very cool that this is included. This should go into the headset or the docking station, and it looks like I was right. We got a docking station right here that looks great right there as our plug for it, so just plug it into this and this will charge your headset for you, so super cool. And the reason you're here, the headset itself, and you know we gotta do it. Peel that off for you guys. Very nice. Slide that off and we're good to go. Look at this thing. This feels so soft. Wow, very nice. Got the logo name right here on the side, very cool. This turns, spins, looks up and down. Looks like you can bend this to where you need it, so super cool on that. Very, very nice. Well guys, let's go ahead and get it set up and try it out. This is the Rownfusny wireless headphones with microphone for work and hands-free calling. Wireless freedom. Bluetooth-enabled headphones provide seamlessly connectivity and unrestricted movement while working or taking calls. Hands-free calling with built-in microphone. It enables crystal clear voice communication for virtual meetings and phone conversations. Comfort design, adjustable headband, and cushioned ear cups ensure comfortable fit during extended wear. Versatile use, so it's compatible with multiple devices, including smartphones, tablets, and computers for work and entertainment. Convenient control, so it's easy access buttons for volume adjustments, call management, and playback control. This thing comes with ENC, noise cancellation, plus DSP processing, so clear calls anywhere. Dual connectivity gives you Bluetooth 5.3 plus the USB dongle, so easy device switching. 45-hour battery plus dock charging, so it's reliable all-day use and your go-to headset. Aerospace grade materials and ergonomic design, the TPE steel headband and protein leather ear cushions for comfortable, long-lasting wear. 270-degree rotatable microphone plus a mute button, so comfort and control for calls. And it's got voice assistant support, so instantly activate Siri or Google Assistant through your headphones. Rownfusny, these things are packed full of features, the calls are clear, and it's just gonna make you look and feel professional when you're handling business. Gotta say guys, Rownfusny, wow, great job. This is our first time working with Rownfusny, and I gotta say, this thing is great. We've reviewed tons of headsets and tons of earbuds, so we know what we're talking about. This thing is perfect for the office and perfect for business because it has one headset free. You can hear what's going on while you're doing business in a crystal clear microphone. Very nice. But we want to give a huge shout out to Rownfusny for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.